Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 28th, 2021, and we're going to give you all the price prediction update in the market for XRP. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate our content. Make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this particular channel. You want to tap that bell notification as well because you don't want to miss out on any of our price predictions that we are generating for the cryptocurrency space. Because the only thing that we're all worried about is trying to get in position to capitalize on the next price movement. And for us, we give it to you all the simplistic way, whether it's on our price chart as well as in our speech. We're not here to confuse you. There's enough confusion and massive amount of information already about in this sphere to simply confuse you. So we're not about that. We're simply going to give you all our expectations as to where we're looking for the trap to go, because we follow his footprints. And let's talk about that real quick for XRP. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in on this particular price chart, and you all can see that our expectations was for the market in XRP to go higher in price. And for the most part, you know, following our prediction, which was on the 25th of January, it traded sideways, you know, 3 days going into it. And then it finally moved down to the downside, right? So we kept our original forecast in place on the 22nd when we did our video on the 25th. We were still expecting the market in XRP to give us some strength, and right now it's a little bit more weaker. Okay, we're understanding that, but from the last two prior videos for XRP that we generated, we told you all that we really weren't expecting a lot in terms of price movement. You know, it's really expecting the market to trade sideways, and that is what you're seeing on the price chart right now. So currently the market trap is telling us that he's losing that steam in order to try to elevate the price of XRP. That is what is going on right now at this particular moment. But all is not lost. And I say that because the trap is still able to maintain the price for support right here at 25 cents. Okay, because he did that the same day on the 22nd. He came and propped the market up right here at 25 cents. And he's showing us again from yesterday going into today's trading day. You guys can see how that market is trying to hold 25 cents. That is good. Until we see that price break, then our forecast in XRP is not going to go correct. Okay, so just to refresh this price prediction that we've done for XRP over the last two predictions, we're just going to simply take this one off as a loss, which is about 4.13%, and just relook at the market to see if anything changed since that particular time that we did our first prediction on the 22nd. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that off, and let's look at some different time frames to see if anything warrants a change in our prediction. Okay, so starting out the market in XRP on the 3-day time frame, the market on this last completed 3-day price bar right here, right, we needed it to continue to show us the strength, and instead we didn't get that. Instead, the trap closed the market on the low of that particular price bar, which continues to reflect what occurred on this particular 3-day price bar and following. Okay, so it is still letting us know that the overall euphoria that so many people wish to push the price of XRP higher, it is not here yet. The only cusp, the only thing that is grabbing onto the market from actually falling in XRP is this major support area around 25 cents, and then eventually this ascending line that I got drawn. Okay, looking at XRP on the 5-day time frame, you guys can see here we got 2 days and 13 hours left on this current 5-day price bar. Now, at the conclusion of this price bar, if we close above the close from last week, then definitely 25 cents is a very strong support area, and we will be looking for XRP to go higher in price. So we'll look at this particular 5-day price bar in the next 2 days and 13 hours. Okay, so because it's still in works. Weekly time frame. Again, the market here in XRP generally is still here giving us weakness. So we're not seeing any strength being generated here in XRP on the weekly time frame. So here we are. You guys can see that the market has been in a very slow decline over the last couple of 13-hour price bars. Have been rounding over. You guys can see that there. And even on the 11-hour time frame, we get the same type of depiction into the market in XRP, right? Now, I'm still seeing the same thing that I've been talking about for XRP over the last 2 or 3 videos, that I'm not seeing a lot really go on in this particular space in terms of a dramatic movement higher or even one of lower price. Now, even though the market moved lower yesterday, I'm still seeing indication that the market is still able to consolidate and trade in this particular range that we identified, 25 cents all the way up there towards 30. Like, I'm still seeing that being the case into the market for XRP. So even on this particular video, I'm not looking for a lot to occur. So you might see something that we don't see on the price chart, which is fine. You can always let all of our subscribers know with a comment in the comment section if you see something totally different in the market for XRP. Now, I would tell you on the 2-day time frame, while the market in XRP was trading up here around 30 cents, the volume was definitely a lot heavier than the last 3. The volume has completely dried up. And once that usually occurs, the trap has to take the price to a different level to induce more market activity. So seeing how we're still holding and bouncing this area of 25 cents as support, I mean, we're still have to play that strength into the market. Okay. And that's what we're going to do in this particular video again. So we definitely need to see the trap come in and prop up the market at 25 cents. Okay. This forecast will not be correct, and it would lose more of its value as it breaks below 25 cents. Okay. But I'm going to bring it back down to around 21, back here to these particular daily price bars, to where the market in XRP came and held support. And 30 cents would be the area of restriction into the market for XRP. All right. So we're going to play this out into the market for XRP. But again, I'm just looking for the market to really just trade within a trader range. Now, what do you see? Do you see something totally different? I mean, now's your opportunity. There is a comment section on this particular video. You can actually write down, where do you think the market is going to go in XRP in the next 3 days? We'll come back in and update you all on what occurred in 3 days to see where price is. We're looking for the price to go higher. But again, I'm not saying a massive bull run. I'm not saying it's going to go up 45%, but just give us a little bit of strength just to maintain its ability to trade within its consolidational range. That's about it. Now, if you see something totally different, then let us know. Tell us where you think the price is going to be in 3 days, and tell us where would you take the profit out. And that's it. We're in position. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.